I devised this chart to help you understand the positions that were taken by the pre-Socratic philosophers and to try to kind of get them in the right category. That is, in what area of philosophy are they really trying to add or trying to give an answer? And some of my students were pretty confused. Some of you guys were pretty confused about exactly how you fill this out. And as a result of that, I decided now to let you struggle a little bit, and having let you struggle for a while, now to give you an idea of how to fill it out. My suggestions to you is, if you haven't done it, listen to what I'm talking about at the beginning and at least go back and try to fill the rest of it out yourself, because part of this exercise and a good part of the learning is that you actually do it. By trying to figure it out, by trying to fill it out yourself, you learn the information that you need to understand about these philosophers. Now let me just give you an overview of what the chart looks like. The first column, in the first column, the name of the philosopher appears. And then the next three columns, I have metaphysics, epistemology, ethics, and political philosophy. That is the three basic areas that we're looking at in the course. So if the philosopher is talking about a particular problem, I wanted you to kind of put notes in the cell under the appropriate branch of philosophy. Then I have that other column. Let's say it was another problem, or it was a problem that kind of spanned more than one branch of philosophy. And the major one that hits it is when you're talking about philosophy or religion, at least for our sake. That's the one that really goes across, that we discuss, that goes across multiple columns, multiple branches, multiple areas of philosophy. So the concept is that you are going to sit down, see what you've learned about the particular pre-Socratic philosophers, and try to fill it in the appropriate column. Those are, in general, the instructions. And I changed, one thing that I did change that you might take note of is I left Socrates, Plato, and Aristotle out. We're only doing this for the pre-Socratic philosophers. We'll be spending more time later on talking about Socrates, Plato, and Aristotle. So those are your instructions. If you haven't done it, don't copy what you see on the screen now. Please try to sit down and fill it out yourself. It's a good exercise for helping you understand who these guys are and the problems of philosophy.